In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add essential legal pages, such as refund and return policies, privacy policy, and terms of service, to your Shopify store in 2025. These pages are crucial for compliance, building trust with your customers, and meeting the requirements set by marketplaces, payment providers, Google, and legal entities. To get started, let's explore the typical legal pages most online stores include. At a minimum, it's important to have a refund or return policy, a privacy policy, terms of service, a shipping policy, and contact information or legal notice. These pages help clarify your store's operations, protect your business, and give customers peace of mind when shopping with you. Now, let's walk through the process of adding these pages to your Shopify store. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once there, navigate to Settings and click on Policies. This section is specially designed by Shopify to provide built-in fields for creating or generating important legal policies like your refund, privacy, and shipping policies. Next, pick the policies you wish to add, such as refund and return policy, privacy policy, or terms of service. You have the option to paste pre-written content if you already have it. Alternatively, Shopify offers a helpful feature, the Insert Template option. By clicking this, you can use Shopify's default template as a starting point and customize it to fit the specific needs of your business. Once you have finished writing or editing, don't forget to click Save. Shopify takes the next step by automatically generating pages for the policies you set up, complete with URLs like policies, refund policy, policies, privacy policy, and policies, terms of service. To ensure these pages are easily accessible to your customers, you'll need to link them in your store's navigation or footer. For this, go to Online Store and then Navigation. Edit your footer menu or another menu where you'd like to display these links. Add menu items that point directly to your policy pages, giving them clear names like refund policy or privacy policy. Once you've added them, make sure to save the menu. An important feature of Shopify is that it automatically displays links to your store policies in the checkout footer. This includes policies like the refund policy or privacy policy, which means customers can easily reference these crucial documents during their checkout process. Policies you've saved in the Settings under Policies will appear here. Finally, ensure that your policy content satisfies any legal requirements specific to your location or those specified by your payment providers. This might include details such as the return window, who bears the shipping cost for returns, and complete contact information. Tailoring your policy content carefully will help you stay compliant and reassuring to your customers. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate comprehensive legal pages into your Shopify store, fortifying your business and boosting consumer confidence.